Congratulations, Manpreet, for your brilliant performance.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
Okay, so tell me about your PT preparation journey, something like at the very beginning, we need to do some casual discussion.
Mhm.
So what was your expectation and whether I I saw that you missed your reading score 79, though you got 85, like something like that. What was your expectation, how it happened, what was your planning, something like that?
Okay, so I feel like I gave the PTE exam before, and I just sat and gave the exam because I didn't know what was the format and all, and I scored 64, I think 65. But I wanted a good like a strong background for my nursing because I wanted to apply for nursing, so I wanted good score. So I thought to give it a try again, and then yeah, I think I enrolled with PT Center, and then they had like certain videos on each of the unit, and then I just followed it along, and then I did. I feel like this time I did so much practice with the mock exams and all, so that was something that helped me all the way along, and that mm, I think that raised my score. And with the reading, I think last time as well I got less in reading, so I focused a bit on reading, but 74 is not bad.
Oh, yeah, because you're looking for 65 in each module because for your nursing registration. So you got
Yeah,
85 overall.
yeah,
And I saw that you got 19 listening and 19 speaking.
yeah.
Tell us something about your performance in the speaking section, that how you practiced, how our portal helped you, and how you actually practiced all the PT speaking items.
Yeah, I feel like with the speaking, it was more like the headset. You really need to know how the headset works because last time I messed it up. I didn't even check if my voice was right or not, but this time I checked it 3 times before the exam. So that was one of the things. Like, secondly, I think the videos were very helpful, like the way they showed us and the templates as well, they were very easy to follow and all. So and with the reading it's more like you need to keep working on it. So yeah, I think that was one of the main things
Yeah.
that I
So
got through.
last time you told that you already said PT earlier and you got 64. And what's the difference all four sections last time you achieved and this time? Do you think that it jumped more, or it is something
Yeah, it
like,
jumped a whole way because it was in 60s and then I got in 90s and 80s, so it jumped. And the main reason was because I last time I just went, as I said, I went and gave the exam. This time I literally watched the videos. I think I watched the videos twice. Once it was just for the note taking, secondly it was for interpreting, like what was I getting, what was right, what was not. And um, yeah, I feel like the videos helped, and but the practice section, it was much helpful. Like as much last time I didn't do, I did one mock exam before the test last time. This time I did, I think 4 to 5. I did quite a lot, so that was one of the main reasons.
yeah, nice. So my next question is the way you told that the way we actually made our video modules, all the instruction step by step. Do you think that it's very easy to use, that anyone can use this, and if they try to watch, if they actually follow all these things, they can learn the PT preparation in a better way? What's your opinion about this?
So I did 1 week crash course. I didn't had much time. So for me the main thing was that I wanted to watch the videos properly, and then I just wanted to give in the exam because I already gave the exam, so I just wanted to give it. And I feel like yes, you'll be able to do it once you have that thing that, oh, I've watched the videos, I've done everything, I've done what I could have, I've written everything down. Now I just need to put it into my brain. So I feel like anyone can do it. It's not hard. It's just you need to have that mindset that I wanna practice now. So
Oh,
once you
great.
practice more, you'll be able to get it. Yeah.
Oh, great. So that observation before enrolling and after getting your score, what's the main observation you found that, okay, This is the way that anyone can practice. They can get their required score, be it 65 or 79. I'm asking your own experience, the observation before enrolling and after getting 85 in PT.
Before enrolling, um, I think it was more like, yeah, I know the format. Yes, I know how to do it. But after enrolling, I knew the certain limit. So I knew in this specific section, this is what I have to get out with. So, for example, with the writing section, I knew I had to memorize the proper template properly. I knew I had to understand the template, not just memorize, obviously. So, even with speaking, it's one of the main reasons was that I try before it was just like even reading and speaking, it was more like I was just reading the sentence but I wasn't understanding. That's why I was taking pauses. But this time I watched the video and the main thing was that like the tutor said that you need to understand the sentence and then say it, because the more you understand, the more it's going to come out fluently. Does it make sense? So
Yes.
I think understanding is one of the key factors that come along.
Oh, great session. Because from my own understanding, there are many students, they don't try to understand. They always try to memorize without understanding. At the end of the day, they cannot get benefit. Yes, that's for
Yeah.
sure. Now, Manreet, I know that you enroll into PT for a crash course, but definitely you did some research that who will be providing better coaching. So
Yeah.
why you choose PT? What's the reason behind this?
Firstly, it had very good reviews. That was one of the main reasons. And secondly, if I wanted to go and take like, so the main thing that really that I really personally really liked was that I could really just go and have physical classes as well if I wanted, or I can just sit at my home and watch the videos and do the online lectures and get it done. So I had two options to choose from. Whereas usually you either get, or you can just attend the classes, or you can like either do online. But here I had the option, either I can come to the classes or I can just sit at my home and watch the lecture. So that was very flexible, and I found it very interesting in a way, because it was me sort of a person that do I want to go or do I just want to stay at home and do it. Even though I did it at home, I watched the videos, but I felt like the videos were very helpful. They were short videos, they weren't time consuming, they were very helpful in a way that you just understand the basics and then you just go and give the mock test. So yeah,
Oh,
that's
great.
why
Now,
I think.
now, as before enrolling, you did research, you have found good reviews. Would you like to review us on Facebook or Google so that others, like others who will be looking for PT, they can read Manreet's review and they can feel, oh, this is a good place I can join. Would you like to
Yeah, of
review us?
course, of course. I think I got the text, but I'll surely give it a review. It's worth
Okay.
it.
Okay.
Yeah.
In future, like any of your friends or any family members or colleagues or mates are looking for some sort of PT preparation, would you like to recommend and why?
Yeah, of course. Of course, I would like to recommend. I feel like they're very friendly. It's not like money focused. You know how mostly centers are.
Yeah.
They're more like, yeah. So I felt like that was very genuine of him to just say that you should just give the practice exams because you've already done it before, and if you need anything, just and the main thing was that if I ever had any issues, I can just text them and I would get a text back within like an hour. They would do everything that was in their power to help me out. So of course I would recommend it to my friends and my family members if they ever need it, and myself as well. If I want to do my PTE again after 3 years, I'll come back and get the training from here.
I I wish that you don't need to come back because the learning you received. Yes, definitely. If you need to sit for some kind of consultation or
Yeah.
mock test, we are happy to provide. But we believe that you will be a good nurse in future. We
Thank
believe
you.
that
Thank you so
you
much.
can utilize this knowledge and you can actually recall. Even after 3 years, you can recall. But we are here to help you. We expect that in future, if Manreet needs any sort of help, definitely she can pop up here and we can help.
Thank you so much. So helpful.
So I wish you all the best, and we are expecting that Manreet will review us, honest review, I always believe honest review is very important.
Yeah, of course.
And we can actually sign you right now saying all the best and happy nursing journey.
Thank you so much. Thanks a lot.